students. How are you all? Fine? Safe at home? Okay, welcome to the English class. Today we will start with our new lesson. Lesson number 3. Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Children, you must have read the lesson at home as it is a comic story. And you all love to read comics. In this lesson here, the characters are the king, Gopal, who is a very witty person, Gopal's wife, courtiers. Courtiers are those people in the court who give advice to the king. Let's read the story. Students, this story is like a challenge. A challenge is given by the king to Gopal. And let me tell you one more thing. Gopal is a witty person. You must have read the stories of Akbar and Birbal, Krishnadev Raya and Tenali Raman. In those stories, you must have seen the wisdom of Birbal and Tenali Raman. In the same way here, Gopal is a very witty person. He is very clever. And he has a solution to each and every problem. The story begins like this. It was the season of Hilsa fish and everyone was talking about it. So, in the court, in the palace, outside the court, everyone was talking about Hilsa fish only. King really was fed up with the talk. Even the courtiers, leaving the things about the court, they asked the king about Hilsa fish. If you go outside in the society, the fishmongers, they had nothing to sell other than Hilsa fish. Everywhere, we can say it was an atmosphere of Hilsa fish. The king now was really annoyed. He thought that these courtiers, these people, they all are wasting their time in talking about Hilsa fish. And suddenly, he calmed himself and he openly said in the court that it's natural. All these common people, they will talk about Hilsa fish and no one can stop them. Now this inspired Gopal. He said, Your Majesty, I can stop them. So the king gave a challenge to Gopal. What was the challenge? He has to bring Hilsa fish to the palace without anybody noticing it. This was the challenge to Gopal. We already know that Gopal was a witty person. He started planning. After some days, his wife saw that Gopal shaved his beard half. She is asking to him in the comic strip, you can see. She asks, Why did you shave your beard half only? Gopal did not answer. He wore ragged clothes, smeared ash on his face, and in that comic appearance, he came out. He walked through the roads. He went to the market. There, the people were looking at him. They were laughing at him. And in the midst of that crowd, Gopal went straight to the shop, bought the largest Hilsa fish and came out of the market with the Hilsa fish. But nobody asked him about Hilsa fish. Why? Because everyone was concerned with this comic appearance of Gopal. Everyone was laughing at him. And Gopal, very much satisfied, talking, walking through the roads. He came straight to the palace. When he came to the palace, the guards saw his appearance. They thought him to be a beggar. They stopped him outside. Gopal did not reveal his identity. Instead, he danced. He made comic faces and sang loudly. Hearing the chaos outside, the king summoned Gopal inside the court and asked him, why is he wearing such a torn clothes? At that time, Gopal revealed himself and said, Your Majesty, you had given me a challenge to bring Hilsa fish to the court without being noticed by everyone. And see, now even you have not noticed that I have Hilsa fish in my hands. King laughed out loudly and he accepted the wisdom, the wittiness of Gopal. Students, this is the story. In this story, you must have come across some new words like fishmongers. Who are fishmongers? Those who sell the fish in market. Then you must have seen another word which is courtiers. Courtiers means the people who give advice to the king. Majesty. Majesty is a noun, a name given to the king. This is used when we call out a person, that means a king or a queen. In the same way, there are many new words. Try to find them out and solve the questions and answers by yourself. Students, I hope you have understood the story, but still read the comic story again at home and be safe inside your houses. Thank you.